great.
YouTube! Day number 2. Day number 2. We finally got the golf cart, or finally got the keys to the golf cart because we've been waiting for him. He's been having the code to the lock for the longest, and why you didn't want to give us the code. So we finally got the code. So now we can go to the beach. We can go to the beach.
What's the code?
Y'all want to ride down there?
Get out.
We can go to the beach. But we just got something to eat.
They say y'all got with.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Y'all get in the pool. Y'all get in the pool. I'm gonna get my baby suit on. Let me go.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with the brace, dog.
We want to have a little rendezvous. You coming with us? Don't do all that in front of my foot. Well, let me get out.
Wait, you taking my sister-in-law? Wait.
I'm about to be off. Come on. I messed the front up from my toe. I just got these done. Okay, sir? You're so excited, look.
Look at them too.
Oh, y'all better be careful on that rendezvous.
What? Oh, Lord. Where y'all getting ready to go?
On our date.
It's alcohol in that cup. Be careful. Watch them. They ain't gonna break.
You don't see this fucking cocktail, man.
We thought she was lying because we thought she was just too excited.
Ain't no breaks.
Because we almost ran into the bushes when Charles drove.
I told Charles, no, stop. You drive it.
The next day.
Terrible. I'm telling you, everybody should say sorry to their mom right now. If y'all see this on YouTube, I'm not gonna put your face. I'm a vlogger, but everybody in this aisle, guys, we're all getting Mother's Day stuff the morning of. This young lady's mom here, we're not gonna put her face on it. Her mom was looking out the window this morning, and she was coming in here to get cards. But we're all in here getting cards together, so we're all terrible right now. So. Mom, we love you. Everybody's mom, we love you guys. That's why we're here. Oh, my grandma would like that.
You should be in this.
I wish Joyce would have liked this one. That's a tight one. Alright. Alright, so we caught it up. And then we gotta go get some more last minute items. But it is Sunday. And it is Mother's Day. We just dropped Shannon at the airport, guys. She's leaving me. But I gotta go meet her in a couple days. So I'll be on my own with you guys for a day or so, or 2 days, or 3 days. But yeah, happy Mother's Day, Mom. You see this? I love you. You mean the world. And let's make this day great. All right. That white sand.
What? Oh.
That's white sand right there. That's white. This is white. All right, too. It's been a long, early Mother's Day, but we finally made it back on the beach. You always come in at the perfect time. I just turned my camera on. We're back on the beach. I just wanted to come to the beach and hang with Nudie, but they keep sending me to do stuff. I don't understand. I don't even know. What is he talking about? What are you talking about? Is the water clear? Yeah. Yep. So, it's Mother's Day. Tell your mother happy Mother's Day.
I already told her.
And to the right here, Julio.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
Golly. Look, if you're going to be in the vlog, we got to do this right. But yeah, YouTube. We just finally made it back on the beach. Nudie, she's already been in the water. She didn't even want to wait for me. That's how I know. She don't love me. I just said wait. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. But everybody. Uh-oh.
Floaty.
Because you know if you go way out there, it's like a little thing. You could stand out there.
There's a riot.
I got booty.
Put up money.
Ain't the booty like you saying? Hey. Booty boys like you saying.
Bring it back. Come here.
Oh, it's cold.
I know. You got him now?
Yeah.
Oh, I can say, that's how you go?
So yeah, everybody out here. It's Mother's Day. Shannon has successfully made it to Miami, by the way. Dad is asleep. Granddad chilling. But I'm gonna go ahead. Uh-oh, sound like he crying. Let's see, look at dude. Oh, babe, that's salt. It's salt. It's salt. It's very salty.
That's it, Mom.
That thing cold, boy. That thing cold. I put my things up. Put my things up. Put my things up. You should have known. That's what's been getting me through all day. They got my man out in the ocean. The nasty.
See why he got salt in his mouth? Look at him, he do it.
The nasty. Yeah.
Hurry up till you try to rub it. Come on, Peach, come on. Oh, I'm sorry. Wipe his mouth. He got salt, it's sand all around his mouth.
Okay.
Okay. What you say?
I think he doesn't want to go back in.
Look, you like it.
Nudie, get next to him. Let me get y'all a picture.
Yeah, get next to him. You just don't like when you flash his face. You like it. Can you get it with him so make sure? Sit beside him.
Girl. Oh. He get hit by a big wave, he done.
I know. Watch him.
You might want to scoot him back. There you go. That Joe get hit by one of them
You
things.
want him to touch all of the sand.
Yeah.
Picking up the sand and putting it in his face.
You gotta learn today.
You got some good photos? You got some good
YouTube, what's going on? Oh man, it has been a long but great Mother's Day. Like, long but great. And I don't even think it's over. Like, I think we're still doing like some more pool stuff and all that. But we just finished up at the beach. Because of I guess our family size, we decided to make an executive decision. We had the cousins we took the golf course. We've been pretty much riding around the golf course. The golf course came with the house, so I'm gonna give you our house tour. If you see the house tour vlog, make sure you go check that out. But yeah, we took the golf course, golf carts. I'm sorry, I keep calling it a golf course. We took the golf cart and then got the truck, so that way we can just pick everybody up at one time. Come on back. I know the kids wanted to still go in the pool. I think it's like 5 o'clock here, 6 o'clock back at home, hour difference. So yeah, we really just winding down the day. We're gonna figure out what we're gonna eat for dinner. I just wanted to check in with y'all. I'm gonna put some of these beach clips in to show y'all how we were, some of the pictures and stuff. My nephew, if y'all see, some of my vlogs or some of the vlogs that Shannon and I have, our nephew, like, he loves the beach. I think this is his first time at the beach, and he absolutely loves it. So my niece, she loves the beach, she loves the water, she just loves having fun. So she's lit, she's down for whatever. But yeah, if I never told y'all, we in Destin, Florida. So Destin is like a couple hours from Atlanta. Very, 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 very nice beach. White sand, clear water, all that. I got sand all in my hair, everything. Like, it's a mess. I gotta go back to Atlanta, get ready, and then go to Miami to meet Shannon. It's just crazy. So again, I want to thank y'all. The sun is beaming and shining on the kid. So I just want to thank y'all. Again, salute to all the mothers out there. Again, happy Mother's Day, Mom. Again, I know you be watching the vlogs. If you're watching the vlog, and Shannon, just want to say we love you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. It's Jennifer. Happy Mother's Day. All the mothers, we love you. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Joyce. Happy Mother's Day. So, yeah. All right. So, I think everybody's coming up now. Yeah. I just talk about this, too. So, happy Mother's Day.
Thanks.
Awesome. And you special, man. You do anything special for your mom today?
So I didn't do anything for my mama, but I played in the sand for the first time.
You do anything special? I know what I told you. I said we sing and practice for this moment. All right. So as we continue, we
Oh,
are.
that girl called Lit.
Who?
We need to get us a speaker like that.
Enough said.
Look, she's so enough said.
We do have cabanas here on the strip, so if you want to come out and have a drink, or if the other people say that, you can come out there on the piers and do what you do.
Oh, okay.
All right.
These tours are turned.
Now, if you look to the left here, you actually will see Shaquille O'Neal's mansion. That was actually belonging to him and his wife. What was the wife's name? It doesn't matter. That was actually him and Hoops' house. Yes, when Hoops got that flavor of love money, she took it right to Shaq and they bought a house right here on Destin. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is your left.
All right, so as we come up here, you'll see we had Alvin's Island on the left-hand side. YouTube. Oh, you gotta watch. Oh, you gotta watch that. You gotta watch that. Who? Me?
Yeah. You not riding?
No, I don't have to. Are you riding? Are you riding?
I came and got you because you said you was going.
Who you?
No, you.
Peaches. Oh, I was about to say that me. I didn't say
I got
that.
on flip-flops.
YouTube, as we're winding down this Mother's Day weekend extravaganza, I am tired.
I can't
We
believe
came
that.
to the beach.
What's happening? You coming to vlog?
I'm vlogging now. Say hi to the people.
Hi, y'all.
Oh, okay. So,
Look at Missy.
yeah, I'm tired. We've been at the beach, at the water. Gotta eat. I'm hungry.
It's too much.
Oh, the people are out here with no masks. Hey, she smoked. She's about to get smacked.
Why?
For blowing that smoke in your face.
Ain't no blood, no smoke in my face.
Don't try to save her.
I don't know where they at, T.
What a peep.
You gotta call the people.
Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. It's so many kids.
They were told.
Oh.
Not that fast.
Don't they gotta get in line for the go-kart?
They going on the big track. So I don't know
So the
what
big track right here. No, I think that's the watch. That's just the bridge to watch. That's for the spectators. Yeah, we in this place.
All
Me and Mama just trying to eat.
Oh, that's all I'm trying to do.
I'm
trying
so
to figure out
hungry.
I don't want to do this. Here, take my go.
No, I don't know.
See?
Huh? What?
You already paid for you.
Oh, look, I was just telling her, could she take my ride?
Well, my goal was to stay in the car and take a nap. But they're making me ride. I don't want to ride. Yep. Why they got the fans on? I don't want to ride on this. I want to eat food.
We're going to do that too.
I found another place that stay open later.
They open late.
Another place.
Lulu's get ready to close on us.
Yeah. Huh? Can I ride? Can I ride with you? Can I ride or drive?
Can I ride with you?
Can I want to ride.
Nudie wanna ride with you.
She can't drive?
Way too short.
I just want to ride.
Chloe's tall enough, so
I drove before back in the day.
so I said her and Nudie can drive together. Now she's scared chickening out.
Oh, y'all go together. Man, you can drive, Flo.
She's scared. I'm telling you. The last one's coming in.
Man, we just crushed all of them in go-kart. We just came from go-karting up on there. Crushed them. Man, I'm hungry, bro. I'm so hungry. I feel like her. I'm just so tired. Right? I want to go home. I want to go home, but they won't let me go home.
I just replaced that phone. Just replaced the phone.
Y'all don't ask him about it right now why it hurt. It hurt. It hurt.
It's a little tender.
Can I see it for the vlog though? Can the vlog see it? Can the vlog? Just show the vlog just one time. Like it is everybody gonna see it one time for the vlog. All right, put it back. All right. He ain't see it, bro.
I didn't know that was cold. We wanted to tell you to
No, y'all lost. Mine's ran out of gas. We would have still been there. We would have still been there first right now if I didn't run out of gas. I gotta go eat now. We about to go eat, bro. I'm man, I'm so tired. And I miss my baby. And I'm tired.
It doesn't matter. You lost to me and Chloe. Get in the car.
Y'all only lost.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
You lost.
No, we did. We ain't lose nothing.
Me and my baby girl, we won.
Y'all ain't lose. Y'all ain't win.
Hootie, girls rule. Yeah.
She said something. Yep. Oh. Alright guys, it's not gonna be a fancy outro. We tired. We made it back. We made it back to Georgia safely. My cousin and them. Oh gosh, they had an adventure of their own. Again, like I said, Jamal came early on the plane. I had to go get him. Then he missed his plane going back. They didn't get home till like 3 in the morning. They left before us. It was crazy. It was so crazy. But YouTube, I'ma take it on in with this one. Thank y'all again for continuing to watch the videos, like the videos, comment on the videos, keep looking at the videos, and tell somebody to subscribe to the channel, why don't you? And again, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, and we love you. All right? Peace.